What are the roles of petitioner and respondent in divorce petitions? Imagine starting a journey where one person takes the first step to end a marriage, while the other responds to that move. That's exactly how the roles of petitioner and respondent work in divorce cases. When a couple decides to split, the process begins with the petitioner. This is the spouse who files the divorce petition with the court. They write down the reasons for ending the marriage and what they hope to achieve, like custody of children, division of property, or spousal support. This initial document sets the tone for the case and shows the court what the petitioner wants. Once the petition is filed, the other spouse, called the respondent, receives a copy of the petition. The respondent then has a limited time, usually between 20 and 30 days, to reply. They can agree with what the petitioner has written, deny some or all of the claims, or suggest different arrangements. If the respondent chooses not to respond within the set time, the court might issue a default judgment. This means the divorce can be granted without further input from the respondent, making the process faster. Understanding these roles helps both spouses know what to expect. The petitioner controls the start of the process and can shape the initial terms of the divorce. The respondent's response can influence how the case proceeds, especially if disagreements arise. Both parties often seek legal help to make sure their rights are protected and their interests are represented fairly. In some cases, being the petitioner can give an advantage, like requesting temporary custody or support early on. On the other hand, responding promptly and clearly can help avoid delays or misunderstandings. Whether you are filing or responding, knowing your role helps keep the process smooth and straightforward. Remember, these roles are about how each spouse participates in the legal steps to end a marriage, making sure everyone's voice is heard and their rights are protected.